Hey guys, and welcome back to Mary J's Hauls. So in addition to the free giveaway that we will be doing today and choosing the winner, we are going to be talking about why certain products were accepted and why other products were rejected. Is it a process of keywords, or is Amazon choosing a narrative and a side to pick? Now, we will go ahead and do the random comment generator first, guys. And if you didn't know, you had to like, subscribe, and comment below in order to be entered into the All Sunsets raffle. So we're going to go ahead. I've plugged in the YouTube video link, and let's start our raffle. Okay. Okay. And the winner is Chris Wong. So yes, someone has filed for a Dogecoin trademark, but it does not have an official registration yet. But apparently it had a warning on the other day when he looked. So that's really good to know, guys. I personally didn't know that. Thank you for posting that in the comments. That's actually very helpful. I will be reaching out to you with my email so that you can email me, and I will go ahead and get you set up with the All Sunsets membership, guys. So let's get to the video today. Now, as you guys can see, my sales have been kind of in and out. Now, since I've gotten tiered up, I've not taken up that much more space with the cryptocurrencies. Now there's plenty more niches within the cryptocurrencies that I could do, but I just started to work towards holidays and evergreens. And one thing, and no, I do not get special privilege. Unfortunately, Ryan does not allow me to have special privilege over his YouTube subscribers. So as you guys know, Ryan released his top 5 niches of the week on Sunday, and in that video he said that the Ronald Reagan I Smell Commies, as well as anti-Fauci or Fire Fauci shirts, were kind of trending. So I was like, you know what, I'm gonna hop on board this trend. And throughout this week, I've made a couple of sales with those, but today what we're gonna look at is Amazon choosing a narrative? It almost seems like they are, because what ended up happening to me is I put a bunch of anti-Fauci shirts out there and pro-Fauci, and I have no difference in opinion, pro or anti. I'm playing the game, meaning I'm uploading to both sides. I'm filling my slots, and that's my main objective. My main objective is not to bash Fauci or put him on a pedestal. So, guys, please don't take any bias in this video. It is solely for Amazon merch and playing the game to make some extra money. So let's go ahead and look. So it's actually really comical because I submitted several anti-Fauci shirts the other day, and they are all still under review. But then I was like, you know what? I'm going to put it to the test, and I'm going to put pro-Fauci shirts. And literally 2 days later, I put a bunch of pro-Fauci shirts up. Within the hour, they were accepted. Now, my shirts from a couple days ago are still under review. And that's not to say that I didn't get some anti-Fauci shirts through, but is this a process of keywords? Are these shirts going to get rejected? Should I re-upload them with other keywords? And that might be in the next video, where I try and re-upload the same designs with different keywords to see if any of those specific keywords that I use targeted these shirts, because it looks like all of the shirts that are still under review had the same exact title for the most part, as well as description and key points. So let's go ahead and take a look at some of these. So these are my pro-Fauci, as you guys know, and I will actually do another video because there's actually a tool that can do this for you. You just upload the photo of whoever you want and upload the text that you want, and it does it. Now, I don't think it's very high quality. This is my first time using this tool, but I'll go ahead and do another short video after this with a link to it so you guys can go ahead and try it. I think it's really great for future use because these kind of things come up pretty much every presidential election, any kind of political event now. They use the Obama Hope poster as a little key marker. So, unfortunately, I don't know why it said Neckets, but I'm going to delete that after this video. I just realized it now. So I did go back to standard pricing of $13.07, and as you guys can see, this shirt was listed $628.21, and it was live pretty much instantly. Now, there is more to these than I'm showing you guys. I'm just showing you guys a small handful for time purposes. So these were done the day before, and it is the 30th today, and these shirts right here are still under review. Now, I've gotten shirts through with Arrest Fauci, Anti-Fauci, Patriotic, but the only word chain that I've used in these shirts that are still under review that aren't in any of my other shirts is defund Dr. Fauci. So I have a feeling that defund is triggering this Amazon thing, and it's not allowing my shirts to go through. So guys, stay updated. I will be posting another video. I'm going to go ahead and do something a little bit risky and go ahead and repost these exact same shirts, but with different titles and keywords, and see if that makes any difference. Stay tuned, because if so, that's a big little hint to not use the word defund, because it looks like something is ticking off Amazon, and it's 4 or 5 days later now, and they're still under review. They haven't gotten rejected or accepted. So guys, thank you so much for watching Mary J's Hauls. I'm so sorry it's getting a little bit slower. Now that I'm in tier 500, I will be posting more of these videos with new ideas on how to find niches, as I found a couple new ones myself, because it is getting kind of harder to make my upload slots per day now that I have so many extras. So thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to click the like, the subscribe, and comment below if you have anything to add to this conversation, if you know certain keywords that aren't allowed on Amazon. Well, yeah, perfect. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a good one.